Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Birdie here with the song called Raincatchers. So perhaps you recognize the artist Birdie. Songs like Skin Love, Wings, People Help People, and so on. So she made a lot of great songs, and this one is one of them again, Raincatchers. So let's take a look at this one. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. And we'll look at the chords first. We'll start with the D minor. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have A minor next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The A sharp sus chord here, so that's a bar chord. You place a bar on the 1st fret for all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. We go with another chord, bar chord here. It's the G minor. You place a bar now on the 3rd fret over all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. And there you have the chords you need. Alright, so 5 chords, and we will go through the entire song with just straight downs, okay? So that's how you work with the chords. So we're going to look at the first verse here, and you're going to play D minor 4 downs, A minor 2 downs, and C 2 downs. Okay, that 3 combo there you will play for 2 rounds. So D minor 4, A minor 2, C 2. And then you go to the A sharp chord here. You play that for 8 downs. Then G minor 4 downs. And you finally play the A minor 4 downs. Okay, I'm gonna take you through this. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing. It's pretty easy to just follow there. Just downs, and we'll start with the D minor 4. A minor 2, C 2. Again, D minor 4, A minor 2, C 2. Then A sharp 8. G minor 4 and A minor 4. Alright, so there you have the verse play. And we will then go over to the chorus. Okay, and I can just mention all the thing we play there in the first verse, you take that times 2, okay, because it comes like a double verse there, or it's just a longer verse, or yeah, whatever you want to call it. It's played twice, this part we just looked at. Then comes the chorus, and it's very easy. You just play the A sharp 4 times, and then C 4 times, and that combo, that 2 chords, you're gonna play that for 8 rounds. So you just alternate the A sharp and C 4 downs for 8 times. So like this. A sharp, C. And so on. We did it for 4 rounds, you played for 8, and that's the first chorus. Okay, so from now on it's pretty much repetition. The second verse is same, but you only played for 1 round, so it's just half as long as the first verse. And then you go with the second chorus, played in the same way as the chorus we just looked at, the alternating A sharp C, 8 rounds. Then comes a bridge part after that. It's pretty much mostly vocals and a beat there, so we'll not cover that. So We just skip the bridge part there and we'll jump right into the final chorus, and it's played in the same way as the chorus we looked at. So nothing changes really after the first chorus, and that covers BIRDY's Raincatchers. So I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.